If you've ever felt alone, you'll understand this. Meet the loneliest cat. In a world full of noise and bustle, there's a quiet corner where the loneliest cat sits, watching, waiting. She gazes out the window, her eyes reflecting the world she can't touch. Moments pass, but for her, time stands still. Every twitch of her tail, every silent meow, echoes in the empty room. But solitude has its own rhythm. She drinks from her bowl, stretches in a patch of sunlight, and dreams of a day when she won't be alone. Her resilience is a quiet strength, a testament to her spirit. So next time you see a lonely cat, you'll remember she's not just a pet. She's a quiet whisper in a loud world, waiting for her moment to be heard. Empathy is the bridge to connection. Will you be the one to hear her whisper?